Hello guys, now I'd like to introduce you our HX2000 Ribbon Inserting Machine. This is our workshop. The machine is very popular in China and international market. We have sold to Africa, Europe, and many other countries. So it's a very reasonable and good choice when you need ribbon inserter. Now, let me show you more details. We have two feeding systems. This is online model. And we still have offline model. See, feeder, and this is ribbon inserter, ribbon gluing, and bending it over to book pages. So this is the brief introduction of HX2000. Thank you.